Hi guys, welcome to my video. You're gonna see an entire FabFitFun Fall 2020 box. I'm gonna scoot over here so I could do picture-in-picture and we can have it really big so you can actually see all of the products. It starts with the Uncommon James copper canisters. That has already been spoiled. It's in customization number 1. Then it looks like a skincare spray and the brand is HYTHE. I did so much searching and I can't find this anywhere. So if any of you are good at investigating, help me find this. What is this spray that is coming in the fall box? The next product in the video is the Beauty Crop Glow Milk. This is a highlighter drop, so you can mix this in with your foundation, gives you a glowy look, or you can just dab it on in the areas you want highlighted, which is usually what I do because I have oily skin, so I don't need it all over my face. And it works like a liquid highlighter. The next thing I'm so excited about, it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is their clear brow gel. I've been wanting to try this brow gel like for a while now. I just haven't pulled the trigger and bought it. I'm really excited that this is coming in the box because if there's any way I can customize my box, of course this is what I'm choosing. The next item is the Nectar Blue Light Glasses. We did have this spoiled. It was spoiled in customization number 3. Then it looks like they have these super cute Barrettes like hair clips. They're so cute. They're kind of like shell-like shiny, but I don't know if they're made from shell or what. Obviously, I just saw this video. I have no other information. If I find the picture, I'll post it over here. If not, it's most likely from the company 8 Other Reasons, so go do some hunting. The next thing is awesome because I really wanted something pumpkin spice. I don't know if everyone's gonna get this or if this will be an option either, but it's from the company Vosh or Voesh, I believe, and it is their pedi in a box, but in the scent pumpkin spice. And if you don't know me, pumpkin spice is like my favorite scent in the history of scents. I'm just so basic like that. So I'm so excited because last year they didn't have anything that was pumpkin-y as an option. Even their add-on sale didn't really. So I'm hoping I get this in my box if it's a FabFitFun pick, or if it's customizable, I'm customizing this. Then they show the scarf again. That was, I just posted a video earlier today, spoiled as customization number 2, an option for customization number 2. I'm super excited. The things we didn't know about that are in this video, like, whew, I cannot wait. I'm so excited, especially the Anastasia Beverly Hills clear brow gel and that pumpkin spice pedi in a box. I need those things. I need those things. I'm so excited. What did you guys think about this spoiler video that I found? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.